Hi guys, once again. So I'm just driving back from same delay girl. So what happened? I went straight to her place. None of her female roommates was at her place. She's living in 4 rooms apartment. So our 3 females are living with her. But on the weekends we are driving to their hometowns, and actually we are not in where she's living. So what happened, I came and she gave me that cream, that drug, you know, to put on my lower back, because after the gym I'm feeling a pain. So that cream or gel, that shit, you know, really, you know, help it out. It called my lower back, and also the pain disappeared. So we talked. She you know, she told about, you know, about how she's feeling. Like she told, you know, the menstruation period, you know, how she's feeling before menstruation and after menstruation. And we talked about her hometown, some also about traveling to Italy and other things. And then I went to toilet to piss, and then she went to toilet to piss. And after she came back from toilet, I'm lying down on her sofa, you know, and she's coming to the sofa, and, you know, lying, and she's asking, do you have that condom? Because she still wants to have sex with condom. And I'm saying, I didn't take that condom. And she's saying, you're lying, I see you lying. Like she's big. I was saying I'm not lying, you know, because last time we had sex without a condom, so why to take that condom, you know? And she's telling me, you're lying, you know. And, you know, she lied down close to me, and I removed her pants and inserted the cock, and she was screaming like, oh, 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 oh. We did like 3 different positions. Was very sensitive for my dick, and had amazing sex. So after sex, she really wanted to lie down close to me, and just to lie down, you know, close to me, and now just to hug and kiss and hug, you know. So amazing. I see amazing girl to approach, so I will go talk to her. So guys, until next time, see you.